Let's touch base with Mr. Sunil Sikar, President of Havells India. He joins us live from New Delhi. Sunil, good morning. Thank you for joining us. Sunil, let me start the interview with a question which is of immense market curiosity. How concerned are you about what Philip had to say about the European operations, and do you think it will affect your business as well?
Well, I think the statement which came, that's already been, I think we have already talked about it and said that it's probably related more with the consumer electricals or their lifestyle products, and warning on profit warning is probably related to that. I think as far as lighting business is concerned, we are quite confident that there's no signal that we have received so far. And after the restructuring of European operations, we are quite confident that we'll maintain the profit figures which we have given so far.
Sunil, but 70% of your total business, at least for Sylvania, comes from Europe. So are you confident that it will not affect or it will not impact your profitability or your revenue going forward?
See, so far there has been no signal. I think the 2 quarters have already passed, and we are into the 3rd quarter. We are not seeing any signs, though we don't see much of upside in the sales volume, and that's what we have in our estimates. We were not expecting growth coming from Europe. So I think whatever we have worked out in our calculations, we are quite confident that we'll maintain the profits what we have declared so far.
Mr. Sikar, good morning. Tanvi here. Your company is in talks with Chinese companies for a joint venture. What's the development on that front, and how much would that contribute to your target of doubling your revenues to 1,800 crores over the next 3 years?
No, I think there is some disconnect. What we have said is we have just set up a new manufacturing plant at Sahababad for switch gears, and what we said yesterday was that China is another opportunity that we are looking very seriously, and we are looking at a possibility because, as I said earlier, that 60 to 65% of total revenues of Sylvania's are dependent on Europe, which is quite static in terms of growth. So we are looking at new opportunities in the emerging markets like Latin America, and we are also looking at China very seriously. We are looking for possibilities of joint ventures in China, for which at this point in time we are just on the planning stage. It will take some more time before we are able to firm up anything.